Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. Today in this video we will see another use case, that is how to put data from a column of data table to list. Suppose that you have a data table, in that data table multiples column. So you want one specific column and that column data converted in the list. So how can we do that? So let's go to the UiPath and see the example. So for time saving, I have already created a flow. So I will describe this flow, what I am doing here. Then we'll run the flow and show you the output. So firstly, you can see here, I'm using a build data table activity. In this activity, I have added some data and creating the three columns: name, place, and sports. So we have a three column, and these three columns have a three rows. So Raju from India, and the sport is cricket. David England from England, sports football. John Australia, sports basketball. So we have a three column. So I wanted to convert. Suppose one column, support column. I want to convert in the list. So these three data will be converted. Add in a one list, and then that list I will show you. Okay, so click on OK. After that, I am using here assign activity. In this activity, I am using writing a one query to take the data table, convert the data table one column into a list. So what I am doing here, I will show you. So this is a query. This is a link query, you can say, from row dot simple dt simple. Dt simple is a data table name that we created above, and dot a enumerable select convert dot to a string row sports to list. So here you can see here the row, all the rows. Which rows? A sports column rows converted in the list. Okay, so this is the query for converting the data to list. So this my list, you can see the my list variable is a variable type. You can see here, this is the list variable. Variable type is a list, a string, and the above is data table. So we here converted in the list form, and then how can print the list? uh, For the printing the list value, we need to use the for each row, for each activity. So I'm using here the for each activity. In this activity, I'm providing the list variable here, my list variable, and you can see I'm using the message box in the for each activity, and here I'm printing the item. So if you want to change the name, you can change the name as well here. So this is not an uh, important item is necessary. You can change the name as well as your requirement. So this is a use case. So I hope you understand. uh, so firstly I will run this program and show you the output, how it's working. So I'm run the program. You can see first output is cricket, that I'm printing the sports column in a list. So first is cricket, second is football, and third is basketball. So third column converted in the list. So I have a one data table. In that data table, I have a one column is a sports, and that column data converted into list. So if you want to change the other column you wanted, so I will change here a sports, change with once again. What is the column name? place. Okay, here I'm changing the place. Okay, Control S. Again run this flow. You can see India, England, and the Australia. So I hope you understand this use case. If you have any query, please write your query in the comment section. We will provide the solution, and we will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.